Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 8, 2022. 2 star Sudoku. 9th row, 10th row, we have 1. 6th grid also we have 1. So one can't come these cells. Then one is confirmed here. 2nd row, 3rd row, we have 9. Column J also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column J, 4th row, we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come this cell. It will give me another 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 3rd grid, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th grid and 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row we have 3. Column I also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 9th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column I, 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come this cell. It will give me another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 6th grid, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column I, only one number is remaining. 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9th grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 8. 8th row and 9th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. The 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come here, one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 8th grid, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 7, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grid, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 2nd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grid, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. Fifth row, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come in the cell, it will be another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. 6th row, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 2. Column B, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9. Column B, we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 4th grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.